Most people treat AI like a search engine. They type a question, get an answer, and move on. But that's not how I use it. I use AI agents to build actual systems. Systems that handle entire workflows, reduce wasted effort, and give me back the mental space to focus on decisions that actually move things forward. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how that works. Hey everyone, I'm Sahil Sahaji. I run a YouTube channel called Smart Vabna with over 200,000 subscribers where I teach video editing and help creators build smarter online. And on this channel, I share the tools and strategies I'm personally using behind the scenes. Today's one is genuinely different from most things I've covered. Before we get into it, just want to be upfront with you. This video is purely for educational purposes. Everything I'm showing you is based on my own experience using this tool. It is not business or financial advice. Think of it as me walking you through what I found and letting you decide if it fits your workflow. The tool is called Abacus AI and specifically we're looking at its deep agent. Now let me explain what makes this different from a regular AI tool because that distinction actually matters. Most AI tools work in a straight line. You give input, you get output. That's it. Deep agent works differently. It doesn't just respond to your prompt. It plans, executes, checks its own work, and keeps going until the job is done. It behaves more like a digital analyst than a chatbot, and that one shift changes everything about how you can use it. So let me walk you through what it can actually do because this is the part that surprised me. The first thing I tested was building internal tools. And I don't mean wireframes or design mockups, I mean actual working application. A full stack web app built from a single prompt with real hosting, a live database, user authentication and Stripe payment integration all set up in one flow. No developer needed, no back and forth. Just describe what you want and the agent handles the build. For anyone running an online business, that replaces an enormous amount of time and cost. But here's where it gets interesting. Deep Agent also has what they call computer use capability. This means it can operate your computer the way a human would. Switching between tabs, handling repetitive tasks, posting content, organizing leads, managing admin work that normally eats hours of your day. Instead of you jumping between 10 different tools, the agent handles the execution while you stay focused on the bigger picture. Another thing I found genuinely useful. Operational visibility. Deep Agent can connect to tools like Gmail, Slack, and project management platforms, pull live data, and build dashboards on the fly. So instead of asking someone to pull a report, you just have it running automatically with charts, trends, and actual context. That's not just saving time, that's a completely different way of seeing your business. Now the research side, this used to be one of the biggest time sinks in my workflow. Deep Agent can pull from multiple sources at the same time, compare different viewpoints, identify risks, and present everything in a clear structured format. Whether it's market research, content planning, or competitive analysis, instead of starting from scratch and spending hours piecing things together, I start with a full picture already in front of me. And this is the part most people miss completely. You can also use Deep Agent to build custom AI assistants for specific roles inside your business. A chatbot trained for one exact workflow. An assistant that only answers within one narrow domain. A system that follows a very specific set of rules. So instead of using one general AI for everything and getting inconsistent results, you build specialists. That's how real systems scale. The biggest benefit I've personally noticed isn't the speed, it's the mental bandwidth. When the execution side is handled, your thinking gets clearer. You stop reacting to everything and start making actual decisions. That's the real value here. Abacus AI's Deep Agent is part of their Chat LLM platform. There's a plan that lets you start and explore the basics and deeper tiers for building more advanced systems. The link is in the description. Go check it out for yourself. See you in the next video. If you found this useful, hit the like button and subscribe. And check the description for the link to the tool.